Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by again today to watch my video. I really appreciate. In today's video, I'm making fish and a vegetable sauce. I've just added oil into my pot, and once it heats up, I'll start by adding onions and fry it for about a minute. I'm also adding some of the white part of the spring onions. After frying the onions about a minute, I will add ginger, garlic, and the pepper paste. This is just ginger, garlic, and chili pepper which I blended and stored for this. Next, I'll add about 1.5 teaspoon of curry mix and continue to stir. I will also add a teaspoon of thyme. Next, I'll add some sliced tomatoes, which I added 2 fresh Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding 2 seasoning cubes. And a pinch of salt. I will stir everything very well and then add our fish. Remember, we are making fish sauce. Then I will cover the pot and allow this fish to cook for about 10 minutes or until the fish is well cooked. Now the fish is well cooked. You can stir and test for salt and pepper and other spices. I tested it and everything was very okay. The stew is very okay to use this way, but we are not done yet. Remember, we are making fish and a vegetable sauce, so we add more vegetables. Here I'm adding some chopped carrots and green beans. Because this is hard and I want it to get soft a bit, I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about a minute before adding the rest of the ingredients. I hope you are enjoying watching. Please give us a like, click the like button, and also share the video. Thank you. After about a minute, I'll then add the green bell peppers. I'll also stir and cover for about 20 to 30 seconds. And lastly, I'll add my green onions or spring onions. That's the green part of it. And stir everything gently. Gently so that the fish will not break. And our fish and the vegetable sauce is ready. This is another way to make a delicious fish stew. You can enjoy this with boiled rice. It is very delicious with boiled rice, boiled yam, boiled plantain, pasta, and everything of your choice. Thank you all for watching, for liking the video, and for sharing the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.